The pyramids of Giza. These colossal structures have captivated humanity for millennia. They stand as testaments to the ingenuity and ambition of a civilization that flourished along the Nile River. The sheer scale of these monuments is honestly awe-inspiring. The largest, the Great Pyramid of Khufu, was the tallest man-made structure for over 3,800 years. How did they do it? How did a civilization without modern technology erect such wonders? The answers lie hidden in the sands of time, waiting to be uncovered. The construction of the pyramids was a monumental undertaking, requiring meticulous planning, extraordinary engineering skills, and a vast labor force. The first step was quarrying the building blocks. The ancient Egyptians primarily used limestone, quarried from nearby sites and from Tura, located across the Nile. They used copper tools, along with ingenuity and determination, to cut and shape massive blocks, some weighing as much as 80 tons. These massive stones then had to be transported to the pyramid construction site. This was accomplished using a combination of manpower, wooden rollers, and sledges. Evidence suggests that the Egyptians may have even wetted the sand in front of the sledges to reduce friction, making it easier to haul the heavy stones. The logistics of moving such massive blocks over long distances are, really, mind-boggling, a testament to the ancient Egyptians' organizational skills. Imagine the scene. Thousands of workers, their bodies glistening with sweat under the scorching Egyptian sun, laboriously move gigantic stone blocks. The air is thick with the sounds of wooden rollers creaking and men chanting in unison. This was the reality of quarrying and transporting the stones for the pyramids. The primary tool used for quarrying was the copper chisel. While copper is a relatively soft metal, the Egyptians discovered that by repeatedly hammering the chisel into the rock, they could create cracks. These cracks were then expanded using wooden wedges and water. Water poured into the cracks would expand as it was absorbed, creating enough pressure to split the stone. Once a block was freed from the quarry, it was transported to the pyramid construction site using a combination of human muscle and ingenuity. Wooden rollers placed under the blocks helped to reduce friction. Sledges, likely lubricated with water or animal fat, were used to haul the stones over longer distances. The Nile River, a vital artery of ancient Egypt, also played a crucial role in transporting materials, with barges carrying stones from distant quarries to the pyramid construction sites. The scale of this operation is, honestly, difficult to comprehend today. It's estimated that the Great Pyramid alone is comprised of over 2 million stone blocks. Each block had to be quarried, shaped, transported, and precisely placed, a testament to the dedication and skill of the ancient Egyptian workforce. The most enduring mystery surrounding the pyramids is how the ancient Egyptians lifted the massive stone blocks into place. While there is no definitive answer, several theories have been proposed over the centuries, each with its own merits and drawbacks. One of the most widely accepted theories involves the use of massive ramps. These ramps would have been constructed of earth, brick, and timber, gradually increasing in height and length as the pyramid grew taller. Workers would have used rollers, levers, and ropes to haul the stones up the ramps and into their designated positions. Another theory suggests the use of internal ramps, built within the pyramid itself. As each layer of the pyramid was completed, a new ramp would be constructed inside, spiraling upwards. This theory helps explain how the Egyptians might have moved stones for the upper levels of the pyramids. Some researchers believe that the Egyptians may have used a combination of ramps, levers, rollers, and possibly even cranes to lift the stones. There is evidence to suggest that the Egyptians were familiar with the principles of the lever and the pulley, and they may have developed sophisticated lifting mechanisms that have been lost to time. The interior of the pyramids is as fascinating as their exterior. The pyramids are not simply solid structures. They contain a complex network of chambers, passages, and shafts, some of which remain unexplored to this day. The Great Pyramid, for example, contains 3 main chambers: the King's Chamber, the Queen's Chamber, and the Subterranean Chamber. Connecting these chambers are a series of passages, including the Grand Gallery, a towering corridor lined with massive granite blocks. The purpose of some of these chambers and passages remains honestly a mystery. Some believe they may have served religious or symbolic functions, while others speculate that they may have been designed to ventilate the pyramid during construction. Adding to the intrigue is the precise alignment of the pyramids with the cardinal directions. The Great Pyramid, for example, is aligned almost perfectly with true north, with an error of less than 0.05 degrees. This remarkable accuracy suggests that the Egyptians had a sophisticated understanding of astronomy and surveying techniques. The pyramids are not simply tombs. They are expressions of the ancient Egyptians' worldview, their beliefs about the afterlife, and their relationship with the cosmos. Unlocking the secrets of these ancient wonders requires a multidisciplinary approach, combining archaeology, engineering, astronomy, and a healthy dose of imagination. As we continue to explore and study these enigmas of the past, we gain a deeper appreciation for the ingenuity and resilience of the human spirit.